Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about using proportional relationships. Okay, we have taken something like this in the previous lessons, so it will be easy for you. Tyler word here, it's a word problem here. Tyler wants to find the height of a telephone, okay, of a telephone pole, this one, this height. Okay, he measured the pole's shadow and his own shadow. Okay, he's here. Here's Tyler, as you see. Okay, and then he made the diagram. What's the height of H here? What do you think? So we have some steps to know or to do. What do you think, my dear students, here? I need to prove that here triangle ABC is similar to triangle FGH. FGH. If they are similar, so it's easy to know the height here, right? How can I know that they are similar or not? Remember, let's see together step by step. Convert the measurements into inches. Inches, yeah, it's very easy. We have got here, my dear students, feet and inches, feet and inches, feet and inches. So how to convert the feet into inches? Very easy. Don't panic. I have here 7 feet 8 inches. Okay, 1 feet equal, yeah, equal 12 inches, right? So I'm going to do what, guys? I'm going to multiply the 7 feet multiply 12. Why multiplies 12? To get it into inches. So 7 times 12 here plus what? Plus the 8 inches already here. So 7 feet, it's 7 multiply 12 equal gives me what? Gives me the inches plus 8 plus 8 inches. So the total inches will give you 92. Okay, when I have here the other one, the BC, it's 5 feet 9 inches. Please look back. 5 feet 9 inches. This one, BC. I want to convert the feet into inches. Okay, 5 multiplies what? Multiplies 12 plus the 9 inches to give you the here length in what? In inches. 5 times 12 gives you 60, and you have here 9, so it's 69. Okay, 69 inches. What about FG? FG also, I convert after conversion, it will be 460 inches. Okay, find similar triangles. So I'm doing so why? To get the, I want here to know, okay, that the two triangles are similar. I want to prove that. So because the sun's ray, do you know that the sun's rays, okay, are parallel? The sun's rays are parallel. Therefore, measure of angle A, it's congruent to measure of angle F. Again here, measure of angle A, okay, it has some, and measure of angle F, they are what? They are parallel. Why? Because the sun ray here, because it gives you, when the sun rays here fall on a body, it gives me a shadow. So here the sun ray, it proved that we have here congruent angles. So if we have congruent angles, and if we have here, guys, the we have here also therefore we have here congruent angles inside the triangles, the two triangles ABC and triangle FGH. Okay, and we have also what? Not only that, we have also AA similarity. What's AA similarity? Two angles. Why two angles? Remember, I have here, this is right angle triangle and this is right angle triangle. Two angles are here, the two corresponding angles are congruent also, and we have here measure A, it's congruent to measure F, measure B congruent to measure G, and you have also what you have here. So we have here similar, yeah, we have here similar triangles, it's not congruent but similar. Okay, When we have similar triangle, I conclude what? I conclude, remember, when I have similar triangle, I can say AB over FG equal BC over GH. Let's see together the proportional relationship BC over GH. BC over GH the same as AB over FG. Okay, so I have here corresponding sides are proportional. I substituted here the numbers instead here and get the value of h. Cross multiplication, as you know, 92h equals 69 multiplies 460, then divided by the coefficient gives you 345. Then the height will be 345 inches. Or I can say 300, I can say if I want to convert it into feet and inches, I will divide it by 12 and take the remainder, take it here as inches. But it's okay to get it as inches, just inches. Okay, here we have here another example. A student who is 5 feet 6 inches. So I'm going to convert here the feet into inches. Measured shadows to shadows also to find the height LM of the flag. Okay, so of a flagpole. What's LM? Okay, the same idea, guys. I'm going to convert the measurements into inches. Every each feet is 12 inches, so I'm going to multiply 5 times 12. Then I will add 6. So 60 here plus this 6 give me 66. For JH, where is JH here? Let's see together. Okay, 5 feet, so it will be 60 inches. So you have here 60, and we have here 66. Okay, we have here 14 feet 2 inches. 14 multiplies 12, then plus 2, it will give you 170. Okay, and he needs this one, so I know that they are similar. You have got here also perpendicular, okay, two perpendiculars, and you have here J congruent to N because we have shadows here. The sun here, the sun rays, they are parallel, so the same, guys. So I can get the value of H easily. Okay, remember, scale drawing represents object as smaller or larger than, okay, than its actual size. This is important to understand. Okay, my dear students, this is called scale. So let's complete. We have here another, okay, we have here another example. We have here another example, as I told you, one on a Wisconsin road map. Christine measured a distance of 11 eighth inches from Madison to Wausau. The scale of this map is, scale here is what? 1 inch to 13 miles. 1 inch, I can write it like this, 1 inch to 13 miles, okay? And here 13 miles. Okay, what is the actual distance between Madison and Wausau in the nearest mile? So we have got here what again? It's very easy to solve. 1 Okay, 1 inch to 13 miles. Here the inches, here the miles. Okay, and I have here what is, he asks me about the actual. So what is here the distance between Madison and Woe to the nearest mile? Okay, it's here. Okay, this is required, and this is what? And this is 11/8, because this is the in inches, this is in inches, the scale. So what should I do to find this? Cross multiplication, yeah, and this is written in better handwriting, yeah. So I have got here 11/8 inches over x, the actual miles that I need to know, and this is the scale here. So I will do cross multiplication. 1 times x equal 11 eighth. Okay, times what? Times 13. And now I will here multiply. Okay, then let's see how can we do it. Okay, so here how can I do it? I will here convert the mixed into improper. 8 times 11 equal 88 plus 1 89 over 8. Then 89 over 8. What should I do after that? I will multiply it by 13. So over 1. So multiply this times this and then simplify. Then the end answer will be 145 miles to the nearest miles. Okay. Remember, my dear students, we have taken this one similarity ratio. We have taken if we have triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and this is the sign of similarity. Remember, we have some ratios, AB over BC. Okay, AB here. Okay, AB over, DE, it's the same as BC over, EF, the same as AC over, DF. And the ratio here gives you half. If so we have here another two things that comes up to our minds. The perimeter ratio. The perimeter ratio, you know, the perimeter is the sum of all sides. So the perimeter of ABC over the perimeter of DEF will be what? Will be here, will give you what? Will give you the same ratio. Will give you the same ratio. And if I say the area of ABC, okay, the area of ABC and the area of DEF, okay, so it will be what? 6 over 24, okay, it will be here fourth after simplifying. Okay, so